Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you how to use Zillow Rental Manager as a beginner and manage your rental property step by step in a simple way. First, let's understand what it is. Zillow Rental Manager is a tool that helps landlords list properties, collect rent, screen tenants, and manage rental applications all in one place. To get started, open the Zillow Rental Manager website or app and sign in with your Zillow account. If you don't have one, create a free account using your email address. Once logged in, you will see a dashboard where you can manage everything. Now the first main step is creating a rental listing. Click on Post a Rental and enter your property details. This includes the address, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, rent amount, description, and photos. Make sure your photos are clear and bright because they attract more tenants. Next, you can choose where your listing will be published. Zillow will automatically show it on its platform and partner sites, which increases visibility for your property. After listing, you may start receiving inquiries. This is where the messaging feature becomes important. You can communicate directly with potential tenants through the platform, answer questions, and schedule property showings. Now let's talk about tenant screening. Zillow Rental Manager allows you to request applications from interested renters. Applicants will fill out their personal details, rental history, income information, and consent for background and credit checks. You can review all this information inside your dashboard. Once you find a suitable tenant, you can approve their application directly. The platform helps you keep all records organized so you don't have to manage paperwork manually. Next is rent collection. You can set up online rent payments so tenants can pay directly through the system. This reduces the need for cash or bank transfers and makes tracking payments much easier. You can also set up automatic reminders for due dates. Another useful feature is lease management. You can create digital lease agreements, send them to tenants, and get them signed electronically. This saves time and ensures everything is legally documented. The dashboard also helps you track income, expenses, and payment history. This is useful for managing multiple properties or keeping financial records for tax purposes. Now let's talk about tips. Always keep your listing updated. If the property is rented, pause the listing immediately. Respond quickly to tenant messages because faster responses often lead to better rental outcomes. Also, use detailed descriptions. Mention nearby schools, transport, and amenities because tenants often look for convenience. So, Zillow Rental Manager is a complete beginner-friendly tool that helps you list properties, screen tenants, collect rent, and manage leases all in one place. Once you understand the dashboard, managing rentals becomes much easier and more organized. Subscribe the channel for more videos.